And back home, Delhians will celebrate the birth anniversary of the most quoted and also the most written about among Urdu poets, Mirza Asadullah Beg, also known as Mirza Ghalib. Born in Agra to parents with Turkish aristocratic ancestry, Ghalib's family migrated to Delhi after his father died in a battle. Ghalib had always worried that the age in which he lived did not recognize him, but he need not have feared. Delhi can never forget its legendary poet.
हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले, हजारों ख्वाहिशें.
A million desires, a thousand tributes, as Delhi celebrates the 210th birth anniversary of one of its most famous citizens, Mirza Asadullah Khan Ghalib, a poet who defines Urdu poetry. Kathak dancer Uma Sharma, famous lyricist Gulzar, and even Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, along with other fans of Ghalib, marked this day with a candlelight procession from Town Hall in Chandni Chowk to Ghalib's home in a narrow lane of Old Delhi.
Ghalib is the biggest name world over. So you don't have boundaries to Ghalib, because what he says is so relevant today. The emotions are so universal, and he's as you know, my best friend is Khushwant. I was with him the other day, and he's at 92. He says, my idol is now Ghalib. All I read is Ghalib, because Ghalib is just, Ghalib has something to say to everybody, to every age, and it's every time you read it, you read a new meaning in his verse. It's almost mystical feeling.
This is the home where Ghalib grew up and wrote path-breaking poetry. The poet's imagery and deft touch is still being felt, something that does not fail to interest scholars. Indian Council of Cultural Relations Director Pawan Sharma chose to launch his book on the poet here in his Haveli.
Every year around his birth anniversary, we organize this candlelight march with the mashals, just once again to pay homage to this great living soul of Delhi, the greatest poet this city has produced. Till some years ago, it was a shame that we had no memorial in his name and no ceremony to mark once again his great legacy to this city.
Gulzar scripted and directed a television series on Ghalib's life in the 90s, but the lyricist says a homage to the poet can only be paid in his own words.
नक्श फरियादी है किसकी शोखी है तहरीर का, कागजी है पैरहन हर पै करे तस्वीर का.
In New Delhi, Aanchal Vora for NDTV.